Hi guys, and welcome to a new video by London. Today we're making a custom tutorial dress. Welcome back. Stay tuned for following instructions. So first we're just going to cut out a maxi dress pattern out of this lovely purple fabric. It's like a shimmery purple fabric with a bit of purple back lining, and it is stretchy as well. First need to sew together the sides. I've pinned it on a mannequin. This is the front piece, and then we have the side piece that we need to pin together, well, the back piece that we need to pin together by the side, and there is two back pieces and one front piece. I've also cut a neck piece for the halter neck. We're going to sew the side seams together and also the top line of the dress and the hem of the skirt, which is the bottom. This is it on a mannequin, all sewn together. The top line of the dress is sewn, the side seams are now sewn, and the bottom has been hemmed as well. Just the back seam needs to be sewn together, and the neckline as well at the top where the halter neck is. So we've already sewn the neckline, as you can see. And then the neck piece needs to be attached as well, but the side seams and neckline and hem has been already sewn. And voila, this is the garment done. I tried it on as well, just have a fit, just to see what it will look like, and it fits kind of perfectly. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is the back as well. It fits really nice. The shimmer of the fabric is really pretty. Yeah, it fit really good, like it's literally a thumbs up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, like I said, watch out for more videos. See you guys later. Bye.